Federal gunboat USS Cairo sunk just outside the city of Vicksburg by what they call electric torpedoes. Actually, they were mines. First warship ever sunk by such a device. Here you can see the damage to the port bow of the ship. The damage here done by a 5-gallon bottle full of black powder, believe it or not. These things are not armored underneath. Looking back at the wheelhouse, middle of the ship, everything down below actually for a couple of feet above the bottom of that wheel would have been river water. The boilers would have been dreadfully hot inside this ship. These things are known to explode, did on occasion. Forward gun emplacements. Looking up into the pilot house, exposure to enemy fire through those little holes there, but this is from whence the ship was driven. Another view of the pilot house. Very prominent part of the ship, along with the smokestacks. This is the starboard gun deck. It's identical on the port side. You can see one of the aft guns there in the back by the wheelhouse. Here's the aft portion of the ship. You can see the wheelhouse in the middle. That large garage-looking space would have been where the river flowed under and was the ship was propelled along by the wheel right down there. Rudders sticking out on the right and the left, or port and the starboard, if you will, and the two aft gun emplacements